Hello students, welcome to Sammeda e-learning program. Subject Social Science, grade 8. Today I am going to discuss about the meaning and importance of political science. This is the first chapter of political science. In this chapter, you learnt about the concept of political science, the process of development in political science, the political thinkers and their contribution, especially for the Greek philosopher. What is the contribution of the Greek philosopher in political science? And the most important of these chapters, the importance of political science. Let us see the meaning of political science. What is political science? Political science is one of the social science dealing with the political activities of man. What is the political activities? The political activities, it means the human beings or man to participating in the political activities or administration. So, the administration, how the peoples are participating and how they were actively participating and involving in the administration. So, that is the main concept of the political science. So, political science, it is the dealing with political activities of man. And political science, it deals with the state and government. Political science, it studies the origin and nature of state and form of political institution. The different institution of the political science, that institution's origin, how it will be formed, what is the nature of the state of that institution, and what is the administration. These all are we studies in political science. The study of state is the main subject of political science. Which is the main subject of the political science? In political science, the main subject, that is state. Okay, what is the contribution of the Greeks in political science? The Greeks, they are the first country to introducing of the political science in systematically studies. So, as a subject of study, political science began with the Greeks. The Greeks introduced the political science in first time. But before the Greeks, Egyptian, Babylonians, Persians, Indians and Chinese have mentioned their ideas or thought about the politics much earlier to Greeks. But Greeks are given the systematic study of political science. All these countries are failure to give the development and systematic study of political science, but Greeks are given their own contribution of the study of political science in systematic way. So, the contribution of the Greeks is the most important in political science. Who is the Greek philosopher? The Greek philosopher, children look at the pictures. The Socrates, Plato, Aristotle, they are the great Greek philosopher. Politics was given the status of an independent science by the Greek. The first time Greeks are studied the political science independently, separately. And Greek philosopher like Socrates and his disciples give the more contribution about the political science. They all are considered a political thinkers. Socrates. Socrates, he was a great philosopher of Greek. He gave the status of independent science by Greeks. So, social science, it is studies that social science, it consider a separate subject and it is studied independently by the Greeks. It is the main contribution by Socrates. And Greek philosopher like Socrates and his disciples Plato and Aristotle, they give the more information about the political science. Plato, which is the book he wrote? Plato, in his book Republic. In Republic, that book give the more information about the political science. First time Plato discuss the nature and functions of state and government. The Republic book, it give the more information about the political science, what is the nature and functions of the state and government. The first time it is discussed, that book Republic, the Republic book written by Plato. Who is the father of political science? Yes, Aristotle. Aristotle was a father of political science. Aristotle, the ancient Greek thinker and the student of Plato, he is recognized as the father of political science for his valuable contribution to the growth and development of the political science. Which is the book he wrote? The Aristotle wrote the first book, that is the Politics. He wrote the first treatise in political science called the Politics. The Politics, this is the book written by Aristotle. And what is the matter is there in that Politics? He discussed origin, development and function of the state. In Politics book, it is written by Aristotle. It gives the more information of the origin of state, how to development of the state and what is the main function of the state. It all information it is there in book Politics. And Greek used the term politics for the study of state. The political science, the first word, the politics, the Greek used the term politics from the study of state. The term politics is derived from the Greek word polis. What is the meaning of polis? Which means city state, and therefore a subject which deals with affairs of city state, and its working has called politics by ancient Greeks. It means the political science, the word politics, it is the study of state. This word, it is derived from the Greek word. What is the meaning of polis? Polis means that is the city state, the subject dealing with the affairs of city state, that is the meaning of the political science. Political science, it means city state. First time it is introduced by the Greeks. However, in modern time, many scholars are prefer to use the term political science for these studies. So, afterwards in modern philosopher and thinkers, they also use the same terms political science, that is the subject of the political activities. What is the scope of the political science? Political science studies the origin, development, nature, administration, which are the types of the administration or government, and what is the scope of the state, and the most important, that is the fundamental rights and duties of the citizens. These all are explained by the political science. Political science is the study of all the facts of state. The main important fundamental rights and fundamental duties are given by our constitution. This information we will get through the political science. Political science is also study the past, present and future of political institution. Political science, it study past, present and future of political institutions and political functions and political theories. These political theories, it present, past and future. Political science, the main studies of the past, present and futures of the functions of the government. The study of state and government and human political activities is called as a political science. So, commonly the meaning of political science, it study about the past, present and future and the administration of the government. So, state, government and human political activities is known as political science. What are the importance? The importance of political science, the knowledge. The knowledge of political science is essential in the present age. What is the knowledge we will get in political science? The progress and development of state, it depends upon the thinking, knowledge and political involvement of the people. Without involvement of the peoples, the political science never developed, especially for the state, government, it will be a developing only for the people involvement. Best example for the election. In election is conducting for selecting the leader of the nation. So, participation of the people is very important in election. So, involvement of the people in political science is very essential and very important. Political science help to understand the birth and growth of the state. The most important, how the state will be formed and how it will be growth. So, that is also the most important, that is also we understood through the help of political science. It provides the information about the type of the government, which type of the government is there in that country, it will be understanding through the study of political science. And political activities involved in the function of the state, that is also the most important in the information about the political science. And political science provide the information about the origin and development of the ideas such as monarchy, freedom, justice, law, equality, good government, wars and peace. These all are we are getting the information, the study of political science. You know what is the meaning of monarchy? Monarchy means a single person controlling the administration. And democracy, it is also we are studying in political science. Monarchy or democracy or freedom, justice. You know, our constitution providing the freedom to all and all are equal before the law. This information we will get only the study of political science. Not only a law, the war and peace, that is also we learn through the political science. And children, the political science also give the information. What is the information will be given by the political science? Political science give the information about the structure and functions of the state and government. What type of the government is there? You know, central government, state government and local self-government. These structures we can study, we can understand only through the study of political science. That is the most important of the political science. We can understand what is the structures and what is the functions of state and government and legislative systems, executive system. These all are the structures of the government we can understand through the study of political science. And political science in the light of the past and present activities of the government. What is the welfare program will be taken by the government? What are the measures should be taken by the government to improve the status of the peoples? And what is the political help? Political science help to plan the future activities of the state. What is the program is there? What is the functions is there in government? And what are the plan in future? So, past, present and future plan will be we can understand when the study of political science. And it also help to establish the modern welfare state. What is the meaning of the welfare state? Welfare state means to get improvement of the life of the common people. The government will take many plans or project or programs to give the good status of the peoples and providing the opportunity to the peoples in different fields. So, political science, it helps to establish a modern welfare state. Next, that the importance of the political science, it providing the knowledge of the constitution. What is the meaning of constitution? When it came into force? In India, January 26 in 1950, Indian constitution came into force. So, on that day, we are celebrating the Republic Day. The memory of that January 26, every year we are celebrating the Republic Day. What is the constitution? Constitution, it is the fundamental law of the state. So, when you study the political science, we can understand what is the constitution, what are the importance of the constitution and how the papers are protected by the government. All these we can understand when study about the political science. What is the next importance of the political science? Political science helps to understand the organs of the government. Which are the organs of the government? Yes, that is the three organs of the government, that is legislature, executive and judiciary. These three organs functions, it will be explained by the political science. The political science help to understand what is the duty of the government, what is the organs of the government, how it will be working. Example, legislature, it making the law. executive, that law will be passed, and judiciary, that law will be correct or not, it will be clarified. So, political science helps to understand the organs of the government, that is legislature, executive and judiciary system. It is considered three main pillar of the parliamentary system. And political science develop the political consciousness among the people. The people can understand what is the activities of the political activities of the people, how they involve the political activities, how they involve the administrative system. So, political science develop the political consciousness among the people. It keeps the government and people politically alert and active. The people will be alert when they understand what is the activities, what is the involvement. That time only the people are alert all the activities of the government. And the political science, it gives the knowledge about the political leaders and civil servants. What is the contribution of the leaders, how they sacrifice their life for the state, and we can understand what is the problems of the peoples and how to get solution in effectively. These are also we can understand when the study of political science. The political science, it gives the knowledge about the political helps to raise a good leadership and good citizenship. How the people became a good citizens, how they get a leadership quality. It is also we can get the knowledge when the study of political science. And political science, it helps to understand the important political institutions like political parties, federations and local bodies. Children see that pictures, the voting in election. In elections, that is the main important political activities in India or any countries. So, political activities, the people's involvement is very important. In election time, the voting, it is the most important duty of the citizen of India. So, they right to vote. So, when we study about the political science, they can understand the political parties and federation and local bodies of the government. And political science, it deals with the ideologies which inspire and influence political involvement of the people. What is the government, how it will be working, what is the function, which law will be passed. This idea will be we can get through the study of political science, and we can get some inspiration and influence and how to involve in administration. These all are we study through the political science. Student, you know that not only administrative activities, we can also get the knowledge about the international relations. The political science provides the knowledge of international relations, especially occurrence of the wars among the nations and importance of peace and cooperation. India is a peaceful country, it takes good relations with the neighboring countries. In border issue, it is common for all the countries, but peaceful and cooperation, that is most important to maintain good relations with the neighboring country. India also follow the non-alignment. So, these are the foreign policy of India. It take good relations and peaceful and cooperate with neighbor countries. These are also we can get knowledge only the study of political science. And political science, it also give the information about the governance or government and what is the role of the leaders in administration. How the leaders are participating, how they involving in the forming of the law, and what is the role of the leaders we can understand when we study of the political science. And it also helps to people to become a good and responsible and cultured and active citizens. When political science, we study about the political science, the peoples became a good, responsible and cultured and active citizen. It is the most important of the political science, that is the knowledge about the contribution of the establishment of justice. It means the establishment of the Supreme Court and High Court, and what is the peaceful, progressive and happy state? When peoples are happy, that administration will be happy. When administration is good, the people are happy. So, when we study about the political science, we can get the knowledge about the what is the contribution and how they contributed the establishment of the justice and peaceful and progressive and became a very happy state, and which is the dream of millions and millions of people for a long time and everywhere. That is the main intention of the government. All the peoples, they are stay very safe and very happily, and that is the modern concept of the welfare state. When peoples are understand the political science, they are involving in the political activities, and that only it is possible to become a welfare state. Student, I hope you understood the main concept of these chapters, that is the importance of the study of political science and what are the contribution of the Greeks and how this political science, the involvement of the peoples. So, let us see some recall or some important points of these chapters. Student, are you ready for this? Okay. The political science is one of the social science dealing with the political activities of man. As a subject of study, political science began with the Greeks. It means first time the Greeks introduced the political science in systematic way. Who is the father of political science? The father of political science is Aristotle. The terms politics is derived from the Greek word polis, which means city state. Political science helps to understand the organs of the government, legislature, executive and judiciary. Student, I hope you understood the chapters. You all are ready to the MCQ questions. It is the general knowledge and it is the quiz questions. Student, are you ready? The first question, the word politics was derived from the Greek word dash. Four options is given. A options police, B options police, C options polite, D options Polish. Which is the correct answer, student? Your answer is correct, police. The word politics was derived from the Greek word polis. Second question, republic is written by dash. Four options is there. A options Aristotle, B options Socrates, C options Plato, D options Kautilya. Correct answer? Plato. Republic is written by Plato. It is the book name. Next question. Aristotle wrote a book on political science and it is called as dash. Four options is given. A options the politics, B options the Greeks, C options republic, D options the Polish. Which is the correct answer? Your answer is correct student. The politics. Aristotle wrote a book on political science and it is called as the politics. Okay. Next question. Kautilya wrote a book relating to political science is dash. Four options is there. A options the city, B options Arthashastra, C options republic, D options the government. Which is the correct answer, student? Yes, Arthashastra. Kautilya wrote a book. It is related to the political science is Arthashastra. Next question. It is simple and important question. Who is the father? The father of political science was dash. Four options is there. A options Aristotle, B options Socrates, C options Plato, D options Kautilya. The correct answer is Aristotle. The father of political science was Aristotle. Student all, I hope you all are understood the topic, and today I want to discuss about the main concept of this lesson for recapitulation. I hope you all are understood and you all are able to answer these questions. The first question, what is political science? Political science is one of the branch of social science dealing with the political activities of man. Second question, student, who began the systematic study of political science? I hope you all are able to answer this question. Correct answer, the Greeks began to systematic study of political science. Next question, give a definition of political science. Two options is there children here, two definition I given. The first one is the political science is the subject which deals with the affairs of the city state and is working. And second, that is also the definition of the political science. It is the study of state in the past, present and future of political organization, political functions and political theories. These two answers are also correct for the definition of political science. Student, write down these activities and please do these activities. Prepare an album, highlight the nature of political system in the early period of India. Thank you children. I am Lakshmi M. Naik, Assistant Teacher, Triveni Memorial Primary and High School, Hesarghatta Main Road, Bengaluru.